Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about how to create the first Spring Boot application by using Spring Initializer. Spring Initializer means start.spring.io. We call it as Spring Initializer. We use to create Spring Boot applications in real time. Okay. Uh, I have opened the Spring Initializer. Here I am going to take the Maven project. If you want, you can create Gradle project also. Gradle Groovy, Gradle Kotlin also. There is some difference in Maven and Gradle. For example, if you observe here in Maven repository, if you select Maven tab, it is showing XML like dependencies. In XML, it is showing this is a Maven dependency. We need to take it. If you are using Gradle, we need to select this Gradle dependency. Okay, Gradle Kotlin like this. If you are using IVY for build purpose, you need to take this dependency like this. Okay, fine. Here I am taking Maven and language is Java. I don't know about Kotlin and Groovy. If you want, you can take it. I am creating Java project. That's why I have selected Java. Spring Boot version. Spring Boot stable version is 3.2.1. So I have selected, by default it is selected. Stable versions only we need to take. Project metadata. Here group, artifact and name, description, these are package name, these are all project metadata including packaging and Java. These related information all we can call it as project metadata. This group specifies the package name. Whatever you want to specify as package name, you need to specify here. com.Thiru Academy I am specifying. Okay. Demo. Project name I am taking as first application or else demo, first demo. Okay, I am taking as first demo. Name, project name also in terms of sorry, in general for artifact and name both are same we can take. Okay, I am taking as same first demo and name also first demo I am taking. See one thing, I'll take first application, I'll take like this. We can observe difference also. Okay, artifact ID I have taken as first demo and name first application I have taken. Okay, description. Description I am taking as demo project for Spring Boot first application and specify. I will specify like this. Spring Boot first project I will specify like this. Okay, fine. Spring Boot first project. Fine. Package name here we have discussed about group ID, right? Specifies the package name. Is see here package name specifies com.thiruacademy.first demo including group and artifact. It is taking as package name. I don't want first demo in this package name. That's why I am removing. I want only com.Thiru Academy. Fine. Package name I am taking. Packaging as jar. Here if you are whenever you want to go with var file as you want to deploy in other external servers or project as like this, in that situations we need to go with var file, otherwise jar is enough. I am taking as jar file only. Java version is 17. Why? Because I have installed 17 version, I don't have 21 version. Java 21 version, that's why. Okay, fine. Main part of this metadata is completed, and one more thing we need to add, dependencies for our first Spring Boot application. Here see, these are lot of dependencies available in Spring Boot. Just I am taking Spring Web dependency I am taking. Other than that, I am not taking anything. If you want, you can go with Lambo, configuration processor. So many is there. See, Spring Data JPA, config client, Spring integration, Spring batch, Spring, Eureka discovery client. So many dependencies is there. I'm not taking. We'll see one by one in later videos. Okay. Now, for now, I'm taking Spring web dependency. Here, three options is there: generate, explore, share. If you want to share, you can share. Otherwise, I'll explain about explore. When we click on explore, it is showing pom.xml file, right? See, observe here. Here, group ID com.Thiru Academy, artifact first demo, version snapshot, name first application. Artifact ID we have specified as first demo. Application name, first application we have taken. Name, like this we have taken. Description, demo project for Spring Boot first project. Like this we have specified, and Java version we have selected 17, and the dependencies main thing. These are the Spring dependency, web dependency we have taken whenever we are generating project. If you want to go with other dependencies also, we can you can copy and paste here. Fine. Yeah, I want to generate that project. Now I'm clicking on generate, and it is project is generated and downloaded. First demo.zip. See here. See, in downloads we can observe first demo. Yes, I'm extracting here. We need to import our first application into IDE. See, this is IntelliJ, STS I am using. If you want to go with IntelliJ, you can go with, or else if you want to take IntelliJ, it's well and good to take. And if you want to go with Visual Studio also, fine. See here, I'm importing our first demo, file, import. See here we need to select existing Maven project, not existing projects. Okay, we need to select existing Maven projects. Next, where it is available in downloads folder, it is available. We need to select that one. First demo, I'm selecting here. It will show our pom.xml here. Yes, here we need to select this, otherwise it won't accept. Okay, finish. It will take little bit time to build our application. Fine. See here, we have imported our first demo project into STS IDE. Here in pom.xml, previously also we have seen this pom.xml in Explorer tab of our project is Spring Initializer. Okay, same Spring web dependency we have taken. See here, here we need to run our project, right? So first application dot Java it is created. Name we have taken as first application, right? It is launched with @Spring Boot application. Application flow will starts from here only. Okay. Then we need to create endpoints, REST endpoints, right? The web application we have taken. So I'm creating one controller class here. Package name I am taking as com.thiruacademy.controller I am taking. And class name is first controller. In generally, what is the purpose and controller we need to specify. But first, this is our first application, right? In microservices course. So that's why I have taken. Okay, finish. Yeah, our class is created, and I am annotating with @REST controller. This is the REST application, right? There is no UI for this. That's why. Control Shift O. Yeah, it is imported. Fine. Controller is ready. And next we need to specify methods, right? So I'll specify only one method, that is get method. I'll explain now. First, public string hello method I'm taking, or else welcome I'll specify. Fine. We have taken string, right? Return type as. That's why I'm returning some message. Welcome to Thiru Academy. Fine, right? Yes. We need to specify that which type of request needs to select this method. So this is a get request we need to get, right. That's why I'm specifying, I'm annotating with @get method here. We need to same way we need to specify endpoint URI, right? Slash welcome I'm specifying, or else first I'll take our first application, right? That's why. Yeah, fine. First I have taken our application is ready. Then we need to run our application, right? See, first application I have clicked on run as Spring Boot application. Yeah, fine. I didn't specify any application name and port number and all. By default, it is taking as 8080 port. Okay, we'll run or we'll test our application. Localhost colon 8080. Sorry, we need to specify this first also, right? Yeah, fine. Not welcome. First. Yeah, see, welcome to Thiru Academy. Fine, right? We didn't get any exception also. Yeah, fine. In this way, we can create our Spring Boot application in real time also. Okay, if you really like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.